Hello everyone, it's Devin, the Midnight Warrior. I have suffered so much pain over the past few years, and that pain's gonna get way worse after graduation. Graduating, I have a day or two left before the graduation starts, and I'm not scared. But I'm scared of the pain that I'll be suffering from. The pain and obstruction. Wanna see my best friend? He's sleeping. Let's go say hi to my best friend. My best friend. Cause he loves me so much. He loves me. He loves me so much. He loves me. Hi, best friend. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. I love you so much, buddy. I love you. I love you so much. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. I love you. Frazier is my best friend. Frazier is my best friend. I love you so much. You made my life better, but after you leave this place, my life is gonna be very terrible. Oh, the pain. Oh, the obstruction. Oh, the pain, the obstruction. I can't believe I am suffering this bad. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ow, ow. I'm sorry, man. I'm acting like an anime character. I'm like a dog here. You can't go to sleep, man. Come on, man. I act like this every day. Oh my god. Ow. I'm sorry, man. Alright. Oh my god. The pain. The pain. I can't. The pain. The pain. It gets worse. My life will be way worse after graduation. Oh. Oh my god. What things could make me better? Video games. Where's that PS4 controller? Shoot, sorry. This is the PS4 controller. Ah, my god. I love video games. Oh my god, I love them so much. Oh my god. Yes. My happy dots is coming back. Ooh, I can't wait to play some games. Ooh. Ah, my feelings. Oh, my happy dots. Oh, the happy good old days. Oh my god. I'm relieved. My depression is getting so relieved. Oh my god, yes. This is the life. This is my favorite thing to do. I love it. The green Toda. Bowser the green Toda. The Bowser the mutated Toda. Oh, yes. Play me some good Mario games. Hello, it's me, Mario, on the Nintendo Switch. Wahoo! Love you. I love you so much, video games. You made my life so happy. I love you so much, Frazier. You made my life happier too. Video games. Oh my love. Frazier the Boxer is my love. Of course. I am the Dark Midnight Warrior. I say, screw bedtime. I always go on midnight adventures, defeating every one of my haters. It's terrible. Yup. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, everyone. I act like this today because, yup, a lot of things happens. A lot of good things won't happen in the future. They're just gonna be bad things. Stress, anxiety, depression, social isolation, all that stuff. Don't know how am I gonna like relieve those things. As long as I play lots of video games, make me happy. Collecting those trophies, playing the best exclusives, and making new online friends. I know what I'm gonna do. I am going, my real best friend right here. Let's see. This is my real best friend. I love him so much. Frazier. Wake up, my buddy. Wake up, buddy. Wake up. I know you're sleepy. I know. Alright. I love you, best friend. I love you so much, my buddy. I love you so much, buddy. Right, I'm sorry for the things you have to see for the first parts of the video, some of the parts of this video. But please, 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 please make sure you, yes, you, the viewer, the liker, the commenter, hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button. The subscribe button. And the comment button, okay? Please. If you send out nice comments, I'll give you a shout, okay? But okay, so okay, for the comments, I only got one recent comment. Nothing too special, but hey, PM asked me where's the dog? Where's Doggo? He's right here. He's sleeping right here. All right, we have not done anything special. That's gonna be my second to last day having him here. If not, I'm probably keeping him longer, but not that long because he has to go back to my uncle's house. But yeah, I enjoyed him being here and stuff. I know you're gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss him too. After he's gone, my content's gonna go back downhill. Please help me out. I'll go back to playing video games. Okay? I love you so much, video games. You make my life happy. My life won't be so much terrible anymore if I get to play more of this instead of being the worst person of all time. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, I feel it. Oh, you feeling it now, Devin, the Midnight Warrior? Yes, I am feeling it. I am feeling it too good. It feels too good, man. It feels too good. Yes. 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 It made even I'll feel way more happy, feel way more good if you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay? So yeah, sorry for the weird random, I act so random today, and I act so a little bit weird today because all the feelings all the things I'll be feeling about after the graduation ceremony, of course. But I gotta put that cool fit on. Alright, so alright. The Midnight Warrior will see you on the next video, okay?